Photoshop provides two methods to size your image and two methods to save the file once you're ready. This applies to everything from Photoshop CS5 up through CC. I'm going to be using Photoshop CC for this demonstration. Here's a nice image of Jan's donkey out in the cold in the snow. He wasn't very happy. As you can see, this is a very large image, 7360 by 4912 pixels. When you select image size, the first thing you want to check is that you're in pixels and not in one of the other measurements. The next thing is make sure that the height and width are linked so that the aspect ratio of your image is preserved as you make any changes. Finally, for most images, except for very wide panoramas, all you need to do is enter the height at 1080. And as you can see, Photoshop calculates the width. This image will come out 1618 wide, which is the normal 2:3 image for an SLR image. Click OK, and Photoshop resizes the image. Let's blow it up a bit to see what we got. You can apply sharpening at this point. I often use on sharp mask. Small amount, small radius, small threshold. Click OK. And now we're going to save the file. Do File, Save As, and enter the type of file. Make sure that you select JPEG. Now enter the name for your file and follow the naming format. Start with your name. Indicate your level. Indicate color or black and white. And an index number, because you can enter two files in each monthly contest. Click Save. Make sure that you've got maximum 12. Click OK. And your image is saved. Now let's take a look at the other method. Here I have a panorama of a sunset. It's more than 2:1. And if we take a look at image size, you can see that it is in fact a very wide ratio, about 2 1/4 to 1. 7360 width and only 2979 for the height. We are going to use Automate, Fit Image to change the image size. Now, one of the nice things about Fit Image is it remembers where you have set the sizes. So once you enter a width of 1920 and a height of 1080, it's going to remember that for you for the next time. Fit Image will reduce the image so that it fits on whichever boundary is constraining. This image will be constrained by the width. Click OK, and the image is resized. Blow it up a little bit. Again, you may want to apply sharpening. Click OK. And we're ready to save the image. This time we're going to use File, Save for the Web. Save for the Web also automates some things for you in that this panel is set up by default for JPEG, high quality, SREG green blue, and all you have to do is click Save. Again, enter your name, your level, color or black and white, and an index. In this case, this is my second image. Click Save, and we're done. If I open Bridge and scroll down just a bit, you'll see we now have two images properly named ready to be submitted for the contest. Thank you. I hope you found this useful.